Hey guys, what's up? It's Scott Clark with Scooter Media, and in today's video, we are reviewing the Tondozen Kids Camera. This is a $40 kids camera from Amazon that takes photos and full HD video. We're going to check out all the features of the camera, and then I'm going to let my kids play with it outside to see what they think. Let's get into it. The camera is super lightweight and shock resistant for small children and can shoot up to 20 megapixel photos and full 1080p HD videos. It's available in blue or pink and features a built-in game for the kids to play, as well as some cute filters to use on photos. It has a lens on the back of the camera for selfie mode, which I think will be a big hit with the little ones. It also features a large 3.5-inch IPS screen, which I have to say is pretty big and clear for a camera of this price. Inside the box, we get the camera, a manual, a lanyard to wear around your neck, a USB charging cable, and a 32GB card to use in the camera. According to Amazon, this camera is geared towards children 3 to 12 years old, although I think a 12-year-old might be a little too old for this. Let's take the camera outside, and I'm going to let my kids try it out and get their opinions on the camera. Okay guys, we made it outside. We're going to let little Olivia take the camera for a spin. The first thing we're going to do is just turn it on and check out the menu. So what we're going to get you to do, Livs, is we're going to get you to turn on the camera. Okay, so do you know what the symbols mean?
No.
Okay, so what's the one that's flashing? What does that look like?
Like the camera.
Okay, so that's going to give us our pictures. Then the next one, so if you hit the arrow down, what do you think that one's going to do?
Video.
Yep, next one. That's going to play back our videos.
Okay.
Next one, that's the settings. That's a game. And that's if we want to download the videos or pictures. So let's go back to the camera. You can just hit, I can go that way. Okay, and then hit the top camera, like as if you're taking a picture at the top button. All right, so now we are on pictures. So why don't we got some flowers over there? Why don't you walk over and take some pictures of those flowers? And all you have to do is hold that button down to take a picture that your finger's on. Yeah, so let's go over. And then how about the white ones? All right, you want to take a picture of Daddy? How heavy is it?
It's very light.
Okay, Livs, it looks like we have Emma modeling by the tree. Can we get some shots of her? You go nice and close. Okay, how about the flowers over here? All good? Okay, so what else do we have on there as far as options? We just took a bunch of pictures. What's the next?
Videos.
So if you put it to video, okay, and then hit the top button. I think you have to, yeah, that one. So now we should be on video. Mm-hmm. So do you want to hit record and take some video and maybe see where Emma is again, and maybe we'll walk around a little bit with it?
Hi. It's not on yet. Now it's on. Hi.
All right, Emma, do you want to walk and we'll follow you with the camera and just kind of see what it looks like? Now, Livs, can we keep it not up and down for the video? Just because I'm not going to be putting out any TikToks.
We've got some little burr-like things over here too.
Cool. Cool. When you were flipping through the buttons, you found some other little thing that you thought was pretty neat. What was that?
You can go here and there are different filters.
Okay, so let's pick out some of those and take some pictures with those.
Here we go.
Okay, what about some of the other ones? Let's put it back to the video.
Okay.
Try hitting one of the buttons now to see if it'll switch to the selfie.
That'll just...
Oh, there you go. Okay, do you want to walk around with it in selfie mode and just kind of see what it looks like, and I'll follow you around? What would you say when you're walking around?
It looks pretty good.
Can you see yourself in it?
Yeah.
How close is it? How far?
Pretty close.
Okay, what if you hold it all the way away from your body? Okay, that's not too bad. And what is this we're looking at now?
Push the box.
And what is it?
The game.
So there's a game in the camera. Okay, so you probably hit the top again.
Oh, you have to push it into the spots. Huh? But you can only go up and down.
Keep going. So I can tell you right now, none of the cameras I own have games in them. So now we've got our old 12-year-old playing the game. Okay, and then let's go have you take a few shots.
Okay. Pretty leaves. Yay, pretty Libby.
Okay.
That looks cool. Very tricky, yeah, there.
Okay.
Bugs.
So you've had a few minutes to play with the camera. Give me your thoughts.
The filters are very younger
Youngerish, meaning what?
for littler kids.
What do you think it would be for a smaller kid?
It's a good starter camera for little kids.
Okay. So you think you're a little bit too old for it?
Yes.
And what do you think would be the proper age range for it?
I'd say probably like, I don't know, 4 to 10 maybe.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. How was your experience playing with the camera?
I like the game.
Yeah. And what about the filters?
They were cute.
Yeah. And do you think this would be a good camera for you to keep?
Yes.
You would like to keep playing with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else about the camera? What did you think about the video?
It was good, I guess.
And what was your favorite part about the video?
You could do it on selfie mode.
And you could see yourself? Okay, perfect. Thank you. All right, we're back in the studio, and as you just saw, my kids seem to have a blast playing with the camera. Emma, who's 12, enjoyed it, but did think it was definitely geared towards kids younger than her, while Olivia, who is 9, had a blast playing with the camera and definitely wanted to keep it at the end of the day. In my opinion, if you're looking for a kids camera for children that are around 3 to 10 years old, the Tondozen kids camera is a great option. It has a bunch of great features for young children, and I think they're just going to love it. It's a great way to get them started into taking pictures and videos without stealing your phone. The photo and video quality of the camera isn't the greatest, but I didn't expect that it would be for $40, and the kids aren't going to care about the quality anyways. They just want to run around and take fun photos and videos, and that's exactly what they can do with this camera, and that's really all that matters. If you guys found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, as it really does make a difference, and I'd love to have you join me on this YouTube journey. Also be sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the videos coming out on this channel. I recently put out a fun video where I try and use this camera as a professional video camera. If you're interested in checking out a pretty funny video, please click on the link here. Thanks for watching today's video, I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.